bunch of chimpanzees. She said that shit funny, my brother, he gon' me do what we gon' put the boy just like a pillow.
Alright, so I'm back with another video. I'm back with another banger video. I say this in every video because every video is banging. Y'all niggas should already know that. But in this video, I'm bringing out another DIY. I mean, y'all should expect it. But in this video, I'm finna be trying to recreate these pants I seen on Depop. Now, these pants are very tough. Like, I was gonna just buy them, but I was like, I can DIY that. Like, I should just try to DIY it. And if it don't come out right, then I can just buy it. But I'm gonna DIY it. They should come out tough. So the pants I'm talking about are these. Now, they're like these Bape type pants, and now I feel like this will be very easy, but I do want to do like a little spin on it. I do got a embroidery machine, so I think I do want to like embroider some stuff here and there. But for the most part, I'm gonna just be using my vinyl cutter and just vinyl cut the little Bape things and just put it on the pants. I feel like it would be very tough, and I got y'all with the outfit. I feel like it'd be like some very bright colored tough pants. So yeah, the first thing we're gonna do is find a pair of pants that I can use. I didn't go to the store and buy nothing for this DIY. I'm gonna just do it in here. So I'm gonna find a pair of pants that I haven't worn in a little minute and just do it on them. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all once I find the pants. So yeah, straight to and not tell them no, I'm anti-social. All right, so I got the pants. It's just these Carhartt pants. Now let's find the vinyl colors that we're gonna use. So I'm gonna just bring the vinyl colors over here to you and then just sort them out, pick them out, whatever. I wanna do like a lot of bright colors. Got the little vinyl. This is already a hoodie for my hair because I'm not gonna keep it. I'm not gonna have hair in my face the whole video. Thought it was cool just to have it down at the start, but nah, fuck that. But I got a little bit of vinyl. These are just like stuff I already used, but I don't think the stuff gonna be that big, so I can use this. I know I'm gonna use green for sure. I can use this for like a star or something, or like the 8 sign, so I'm gonna get the blue. I'll just use the this like royal blue. I'll have this neon, shit falling down. I'm gonna do this neon one too. Let me move some shit. The neon, I'll do the orange. I'll do this orange. Pink, here we go. But yeah, I'm looking for red. Wow. So we got all our colors. We're not gonna use that full sheet. We probably gonna use like, I don't even know. The stuff that I'm putting on there isn't OD big for me to use a full sheet. We got our vinyl colors. All right, so here go the vinyl colors that we end up having. Y'all can see, y'all niggas know. Just a lot of colors, a lot of bright colors. Now, let's get on the MacBook and then find some like Bape designs. I feel like, I think I got an idea. I feel like this shit gonna be. The only thing I'm really worried about in this whole DIY is like the vinyl not staying on there like for long term. It probably will stay there like a couple washes, but after like the second, third wash, I feel like the vinyl start peeling. I need to figure out how to stop that because that's how it started doing with the shirts. So hopefully I figure out a way. I'll look into something and it doesn't do that anymore. But yeah, hopefully it stays on there because I do want to wear these pants or at least sell them and then like they be good quality and like shit don't start peeling. But yeah, now let's head over to the Mac, find the designs, and yeah. So yeah, I don't know what you want me to say, but let's get straight to it. Let's go. Alright, so I got all the templates. I feel like it's gonna come out tough. But now I'm gonna just unpill them and then once I get done unpilling them, I'm gonna heat up the iron so the iron can get hot and then iron the pants the first time so it just don't be dry and like, I don't know. I heard that if you iron the pants before you actually put this on, like I watched like a video or some shit. It was like saying it will stick longer, like it won't like rip off as easily. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna iron the pants and then I'm gonna see where I wanna put the stuff at. But yeah, I'm finna unpill them now. Let me see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's like 7 of these. So yeah, let me just unpill them and then I'll catch back up with y'all once I get done and iron the pants. So yeah. Alright, so after like 20 minutes of me cutting all these out and shit, finally got them all done. Now I'm finna plug up the iron and then iron the pants and then like put them on there. So yeah, let's straight to that. Let's go.
No, it's gonna be easy, tell me. I got a bankroll. Shooters doing what I say, so cause they on payroll. I got all purple let you take my flick, you better catch my angle. Came back like I never left. Said that she gon' let me hit. Came back, now she undressed. Thought you got my real love. Girl, that wasn't no test. Said you want no vibes. Came back like I never left. Only do it if it feel natural. I can't force this shit. They say where you get that swag from. Bitch, I bought this shit. If you ask me, then I'm #1. But that's my opinion. You could go check the stats yourself. Just start sounding in it. Niggas tryna compete with me in the same lane. Fuck around, I'm in my own way. See if they maintain. Feeling like I'm almighty. So, nigga, bang, bang. For the gang, gang. Smoke for the pain, pain. Fashion, yeah. Fashion fanatic, yeah. To money and addict, yeah. The money and baddies, yeah. Got so much packs on me, you would think I be trapping, yeah. I guess that's what happens, yeah. When you really got it, yeah. Know it's gonna be easy to me. I got a big roll. Shooters doing what I say, so cause they on payroll. I got all purple on my shoes, I look like Saints Row. If I let you take my flick, you better catch my angle. Said he want no vibes, came back like I never left. Said that she gon' let me hit, came back, now she undressed. Thought you got my real love, girl, that wasn't another test. Said he want no vibes, came back like I never left. What you tryna talk about? It ain't about money. I don't hear no notification, not the bank calling. Got the keys, I could pick a door like the water. You can't even roll up my gas, blunts floating. What even would happen? I'm not the virgin like Paris. Oh, they said, bitch, I'm embarrassed. Boy, you my son, carried. We having fun with the shit still. I can tell that you overthinking. I can do it with my eyes closed. You can see that I'm barely blinking. Fashion.
Alright, so I finished Look Tough, but like some parts, I don't know if y'all can really see, but like right here it's kind of peeling just the way I peeled the vinyl off. Right here I really fucked up, but I think I'm just gonna go over it with like another color to make it like 3D or something. The pants look tough. I feel like I can get good fit pics out of this. I feel like these are some very tough things, and I feel like if I were to sell them, people would buy because the Bape pants right now is tough. This nigga's yelling for no reason, asking for a charger, bro. Don't nobody care. But yeah, it's some Carhartt pants, so I feel like if I do sell them, they'll be tough. But yeah, I got the what's it called, like the big green thing on the side. I wish it was bigger, but I don't know. I just didn't know what sizing I should do, because really it would have had to take up the whole thing. But I ain't tripping. So yeah, now let's get on to some B-roll of what it looked like on body. So straight to that. Let's go.
I'm in this bitch with the gang. Dog pump, I'ma hit him close range. We talking now, we put one in his brain. On my mama, not a Jew, not a gang. But they really hit all of a G. I got a tech and it would be really nice to meet you. I got a baby named Alicia. I met her last night, she fucking the gang shit eater. Don't fuck with me, nigga, cause I keep it glocky. Jump through the head, do I look like I'm rocky. All these bands on me, nigga, why can't I be cocky? Your wife in the thumb.